Hi guys, I'm here and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a slime block pad on Minecraft. Camera. It gets you 5 blocks high. So what you're going to need is redstone, 2 redstone, 1 slime block, 4 furnaces, 2 stone pressure plates, any pressure plates of your choice. I'm just going to be using stone and a sticky piston. What you're going to need is to do this. 1, 2, 3. Do 3 blocks. 1, 2, like that. Dig down the middle one and dig down any other 2. So now place redstone on the 2 edgy ones that you dig down to. Place a sticky piston in the middle here. And then a slime block there. And now place immovable objects all around. On the ones that had redstone, those pressure plates. And then you're done. Look, if I just do this. Watch. And I'm up. So it's really good, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Woo! Subscribe and leave a like for more videos on how to redstone. Bye!